Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring settings for the Mova P50 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P50, the link to it will be in the video description. Within the Mova home app, we're at our device here, and there's a video icon, a little camera icon, near the top right-hand corner. We can select that to go right into the live video monitoring settings, or we can select the enter button to be taken into more of our device settings. And from here, center middle right-hand side of the screen, we have another camera icon. We can select that too. So multiple ways to get into it. We do have to enter our activation code that we initially set up. This is for your added security. Once your code enters, it's going to take a second to load everything. And now we're at a live preview and everything's all set and ready to go. So we'll start in the left-hand corner. That's going to be our remote control options to drive the vacuum around ourselves. We can do that right there. Then above that control in the top left-hand corner, we have our map. So we have our current map, and we can touch that finger icon. And we can basically drop a pin on the map, and it will go to that particular spot if you don't want to drive, which is what I prefer. But it also has that little house with the squiggly line in it. This is more of a patrol setting, so you can set multiple points, and it will cruise to those areas. That's what I like to do. So we'll come back, and we'll do a cruise here in just a second. To the right-hand side of the map, we have a little flashlight icon, so we can auto or manually turn on the flashlight here. So it does have a built-in LED light. I like to leave it to auto. And then below that, we have our map management icon that takes us here, where we can swap to a different map, but this is the correct map. Now moving to the right-hand side, top right-hand corner, we have a little question mark that gives us more information that you'll initially see the first time you enter into live video monitoring. So you can learn about mark to go, whole house cruise, and then the video status prompts. It does give you video status prompts for your safety, again, to know that the camera is enabled. Then we have the picture icon. This takes us to our photos and videos that we capture from here, pet snaps. That's what you can access and find those. Then the three dots in the top right-hand corner, we can schedule a cruise. So you can set up a schedule if you want to have a patrol at certain times. And then the cruising record is just your cruising history, so you can see that too. Below those three dots, we have the microphone. So now we can listen in and talk in. So we got two-way audio. Have that conversation with the home intruder or your pet. Then below that, we have camera. So we can snap a photo, or we can take 1-minute videos. Then below that, we have our lightning bolt. That's going to be to return it home to charge. And then to the left of that, there's a little pet snap. That's a little cat, I believe, cat face. So you can activate that. It'll go patrol around your house trying to find pets. So let's do a little patrolling here. We're going to pick 2 rooms, and we're going to have it cruise both of those areas. So that's what we should have going on. Now the top says cruising. We got a pause button too, so we can pause that if needed. We'll record a video now too, so you can see that. But this is the live video monitoring, really cool feature here. It'll be at that spot. Now it's going to do a full 360 rotate so we can see everything. That's spot 1. Now it's on to spot 2. We have a light on in that room. We got a hall light on here, but look at the video quality still. Really nice. Video just finished. It's making its way. It's adjusting for that light. Snap a pic. Just the natural window light here in the kitchen. All right, it finished the cruise. Now it's returning to charge. Making its way back to the station. Lining up its approach. Very impressive. Nice feature to have. That's the Mova P50 Pro Ultra live video monitoring. Thanks for watching.